Hello guys, you're welcome back to this channel. Here is another question. The question says the maximum number of electrons in the L shell of an atom is what? Alright, so let's look at the solution to this problem. Okay, now we have been given a particular shell which is L shell, right? What does that mean? Right, shells are where electrons are found revolving around the nucleus. Okay, now with that we can associate energy levels with individual shells. For instance, our first energy level, where n equal 1, right, is associated with a shell called key shell, right? So our first energy level, which is n equal 1, right, has a shell called key shell, right? The second energy level, which is n equal 2, has a shell also associated with it, which we call the L shell. All right, okay. What about the third energy level? That will be what? That will be M shell. So in that order. But here is our interest, right? We have interest on the particular shell that we have been asked about, which is L shell, and the number of energy level there is what? Is n equal 2, which is the second energy level. All right, now the maximum, there is a formula that says maximum number of electron, maximum number of electron will be equal, all right, that will be equal to 2n raised to power of 2, all right, where n equals your energy level, right? So but with this particular shell, our n is equal to 2. Okay, if we apply that to this formula, we have 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power of what? 2 raised to power of 2. Here, right, you substitute 2 for n. All right, we have 2 raised to power of 2. Here will be 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power of 2 is 4. And therefore, so our maximum number of electron in L shell will be equal to 2 times 4, which is 8. That's the answer, right? I found it very interesting and simple, right? So kindly subscribe to our channel